Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet using your PC. So you want to make sure that you have your Phantom Wallet extension installed on your browser. And after that's installed, you're going to log in as we have this. So as you can see, we have our Phantom Wallet here and it's on our browser. The next thing we're going to do is to click on send, and then we're going to select the Solana network. Now you're going to put in the recipient's Solana address. In this case, you could decide to use Binance, Bitget, Bybit, Trust Wallet, any other exchange that uses Solana. You're going to go over to the exchange, select the Sol network, and come over here. Be careful to make sure that you're copying the alphanumeric address accurately here. And after pasting it, you're also going to paste in the amount. And also when you're trying to get the alphanumeric address from the exchange such as Binance or Trust Wallet, you're going to be selecting the network Sol. Because if you use the wrong network, you will lose your funds. So after getting the alphanumeric address, you're going to paste it here and put the amount and click on next. When you click on next, you're going to wait for a few minutes and you're going to go over to the designated exchange and check for deposit. When it's successful, you're going to receive Solana in your other exchange. And after having it into another exchange, you could use P2P feature to convert it from crypto to cash into your bank account. So these are the steps to follow if you want to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet using your PC.